Hello, wonderful attendees. I'm your host, Dalvinder Kaur from Lovely Professional University. Get ready to dive into today's topic, that is mastering the art of freelancing and interaction with the successful LPU graduate. Before we proceed further, allow me to introduce the experts of the day, Mr. Preet Pinder Singh, Assistant Professor, School of Design, Multimedia, Lovely Professional University. With prior roles as a senior graphic designer at Eon Educreation, he brings extensive industry experience. He holds a master's degree in animation and special effects. So now I would like to introduce our alumni also in this webinar, Ms. Isha Garg, artist, Lovely Professional University, with an internship at Chumbak Design and Path TechX Design experience has been gained in brand marketing and visual storytelling, passionate about creativity and always eager to learn. So now I would like to introduce our admission nominee also in this webinar, Mr. Ashish Kumar Sharma, a former journalist turned academic counselor with over 10 years of experience, currently serving as a senior officer and territory head in types and public relations at Lovely Professional University. Before we proceed further in today's session, I would like to request everyone for any questions you can write in the chat box or in the Q&A box, and same will be addressed from my side in the end of this webinar. And now I hand over the things to Mr. Preet Pinder Singh and Ms. Isha Garg, and it would be an absolute delight to listen from them. Over to you both.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for having me here. So can I start with sharing the screen?
Yes, sure.
Good morning, sir. Can I start?
Yes, Isha, please.
Yeah, so thank you so much. And we are here for the discussion of mastering the art of freelancing. So starting with little bit of myself, who am I? So basically, I'm a full-time job person sometimes and sometimes a freelancer also. So I manage both things side by side, doing the job and earning little by freelancing. So some of my notable works which I have done during the college time, because LPU has given me a good opportunity to contribute to the projects as well and do my freelancing thing side by side. Their scheme Learn While Earn has helped me a lot. So basically, starting with the term freelancing. What freelancing, why freelancing, and how we can do freelancing. What is freelancing? In the simplest words, we can say working independently to offer your skill to a client, but on a temporary basis. So, unlike a full time job where we are enrolled in 9 to 5 or maybe more than that, we can work here independently on our own. So, freelancers can work with different clients on diverse projects. We have a variety of projects. We can work on branding, illustration, motion graphics, 3D. Like, we have endless opportunities to be as a freelancer. They are usually paid per project or per hour. This is decided by the client itself or maybe by you also, like how much money you will take per hour. And basically, the most important thing is a freelancer is his own boss. He decide when to work, where to work, and how to work. So the main thing is the command is in our hands. We can decide if we want to work today or not. So according to our free schedules or our meetings, we can have our work ethics and work timings. So the next question comes is why freelancing? You can see the RHS side. We usually have this condition when we step into the hostel life or the college life. We do not have money. It is the condition of I think mostly most of the students. So everybody needs that extra money to enjoy, right? And other than pocket money from the dad, like father's pocket money is not enough, I guess, for all the students which start with the college life. Professionally, what are the professional traits of freelancing? First thing, it gives you confidence on your work. So, if I work on my own and only for me, I will never build a confidence. But if I work for the industry or the clients or maybe the big clients, I will definitely get confidence on my work and I will be 100% sure that yeah, my work is worth it and I can help people and I can serve people with my work. And it enhances communication as well as presentation skills. as much communicate, like you do communication with clients. We have different of clients, we have variety, we have clients from India, from outside, and every client is subjective, like everybody is different. So we built a communication and we built our presentation skills through this process of freelancing. And the most important thing, it fills our portfolio as well. And unlike job where we are doing a same language of work, for example, if I'm doing a corporate work, okay, so then I'm doing the same language of work according to their brand language, according to their visual perception. But in freelancing, I can handle different type of projects. I can do illustration sometime, I can do motion graphics sometime, I can make an animation video of a wedding maybe. So this will help me and you also to fill up your portfolio with different types of work. And I think in the initial phases, when we are growing, when we are building a career, we want, and like the industry also wants, that you must be having different types of work so that the exploration shows. And it's basically short term projects and are easier to take up. Like, this is not a 1 year project, it can start with a 1 day project. You can make a logo, for example, a logo takes 1 hour, 2 hour, or maybe 5 hours. So it will end up only on 1 day and you can get paid according to that. And it can also be a 1 month project. For example, we have like one of my project when I was enrolled in painting walls, so that was a long term project, but not that much long, which I can handle. Okay, and it maintains a workflow and cash flow also. So if I'm not doing any job, I'm doing freelancing, so the workflow will be, and also cash flow will be there. It is flexible, flexible work hours, flexible location, and the self management thing. And how freelancing, I think Sir will take up this. Sir, can you please tell
Thank you,
how?
Isha. Thank you.
Yes.
Isha, first of all, just tell me, it's my personal question. How you have started freelancing? Like, what was your process?
Sir, my first process was like teachers guided me. I have no idea how to, like, what is the term freelancing. I have never an idea of that. So basically, they told me to start with building a portfolio. First thing is that if I do not have a showcase of my work, clients will never reach out to me. They also want that how this person will be helpful to me. Okay, so that's why I started with building a portfolio. I started with adding my different type of projects which I have done using like during the course time only with the projects. So first of all, yeah, building the portfolio, and we have certain websites also which they told me. For example, we have fiverr.com, upwork.com, and freelancer.com. So I made the accounts there and I try to reach out to people. I try to pitch to them like I can work for $10 and I will give you a logo, a branding, for example, these things. So yeah, that's how I pitched the clients. I made the show reel and they reach out to me, and then like,
Thank you. Thank you, Isha. Thank you so much for sharing your this freelancing journey, how you have started. Now,
yeah.
okay, hello everyone. Good morning. So basically, I will just let you know the basic steps, like how you can start your career as a freelancer during studies or after studies, right? So basically, the first step you have to do is define your services and offerings. Like service means like what you can do, what is your skill. Is it a illustrator? Like you are an illustration artist, you are a brand artist, or you are just design a packaging, you are perfect in logo design. Before that, you need technical skills. So you have to do practice every time of the which software you are using, which platform you are using. Either it is a vector-based or image-based software. So first basic step is to improve your skills. Get perfect in your technical skills. Then define your services, what services you are going to provide to the audience. Then where you can provide get that audience on your social media, on your own personal social media, right? There are so many other platforms like Facebook, like Isha has said, Fiverr, Freelancer, where you can get the clients, right? So just find your target audience there, set your mind like in which area you want to go particularly. Then after you have decided your audience, then develop a price structure basically. Obviously, you are here to earn, right? So yeah, and as you can see on the screen, like indiefolio.com, Instagram, Behance, LinkedIn, and most importantly, word of mouth. Like if I talk about word of mouth, so this comes when you have a couple of clients with you, so that they will give feedback of your work to the other or to their relatives, to their friends, so that they will also come to you for the work. Okay, continuing with the pricing structure. So pricing structure is nothing, just set your prices of your services according to the need of the customer, right? Let's take an example of the visual designer, like brand identity designer. Brand identity means the branding. So first we have the basic logo. So everyone starts with the $5, $6 on these platforms. Gradually, they increase their prices because they have experience, they got more skills, they got more clients, they got more feedbacks, right? So gradually you will come on the top, not initially. Initially, you have to uh, pitch the audience that they should give you a job, or they will give you the you can say आपको एक मौका देंगे वो कि आप बेसिकली डिजाइन क्या होता है कि डिजाइन जो है वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग के लिए काम करता है. तो अगर आपने किसी को किसी का डिजाइन अच्छा बना दिया, एक्सीलेंट वे में डिलीवर कर दिया, वो आगे आपकी फीडबैक बहुत अच्छा देगा, राइट? इज इट? फीडबैक ऑलवेज वर्क. नाउ यू कैन सेट योर प्राइजेस, लाइक क्लाइंट को कितना जल्दी चाहिए काम, है ना, उस पर भी प्राइस डिपेंड करता है. कितना कॉम्प्लेक्स है प्रोजेक्ट, वो भी डिपेंड करता है. अगर प्रोजेक्ट बहुत बड़ा है तो आप कम चार्ज नहीं कर सकते, राइट? सो लाइक दैट इट वर्क्स, डेवलपिंग योर प्राइस स्ट्रक्चर. The next part is building the amazing portfolio. This thing Isha has already told you, right? कि पोर्टफोलियो अच्छा होना चाहिए. ऑब्वियसली पोर्टफोलियो में आपका काम दिखना चाहिए, आपकी मेहनत दिखनी चाहिए. स्टेप बाय स्टेप आपका वर्क प्रोसेस उसमें जरूर होना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से, ताकि क्लाइंट जो देखे उसको लगे कि हाँ, दिस इज द जेन्युइन वर्क, दिस इज ऑथेंटिक वर्क ही और शी हैज डन, राइट? देन पोर्टफोलियो में इट्स मस्ट to get the screenshots of the feedbacks from your previous clients, so that it will make the trust of the upcoming clients, right? अब काफी कंपनीज को देखते हो, नीचे रेटिंग्स देते हैं, हमें 5 स्टार मिले हैं, 4 स्टार्स मिले हैं, तो उसी के बिहाफ पे हम उनको जज करते हैं कि इनकी सर्विस कैसी होगी, राइट? एंड नेक्स्ट है आपको टेक्निकल स्किल्स के अलावा आपको सॉफ्ट स्किल्स भी अच्छी होनी चाहिए. हाउ टू write a proposal for a client, how to approach, आपकी ग्रामर. लेट्स से अगर कोई फॉरेन का क्लाइंट है, इंटरनेशनल क्लाइंट है, तो आपकी लिखने और बोलने की लाइक कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स अच्छी चाहिए. दैट इज द सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, राइट? जो कि एलपीयू में आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह से पढ़ाया जाता है सॉफ्ट स्किल्स साथ में. तो दिस इज द बेनिफिट ऑफ लर्निंग द सॉफ्ट स्किल साइड बाय साइड विद द टेक्निकल स्किल्स. नाउ another step, when you are all set, okay, when you're all set with your portfolio, you have great communication skills, you have great technical skills. Now a client is there, you have delivered a perfect work to him, to her, okay, with the good feedback. Now it is very important to make or create the relationship, or to the maintain the relationship with the client. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने एक बार काम कर लिया किसी के साथ, वो आप सेकंड टाइम नहीं करोगे. आप चाहोगे वो क्लाइंट मेरे पास बार बार है, ऐसे रिलेशन बिल्डअप करना पड़ेगा. वो रिलेशन कैसे बिल्ड होगा? एक्सीलेंट वर्क दोगे, अच्छी कम्युनिकेशन रखोगे, रेगुलर अपडेट्स में रहोगे उसके साथ, है ना. कुछ इनिशिएटिव्स भी आपको कई बार लेने पड़ते हैं. जैसे कोई आपका अच्छा क्लाइंट है, आपको ज्यादा सर्विसेज देने का मौका दे रहा है, तो आप उसके साथ ये कह सकते हो कि सर मेरे दिमाग में ये आइडिया है, आप जो पिछला प्रॉब्लम लेके आए थे मेरे पास, या कोई उसका सोल्यूशन मैंने एक नया ढूंढा, एक नया डिजाइन मैंने बनाया एज अ डिजाइनर, है ना. तो ऐसे कस्टमर्स और क्लाइंट्स के साथ जो है वो रिलेशन आप बना के रख सकते हैं, ठीक है. सो नेक्स्ट आता है आपका डेवलपिंग योर स्किल्स वो भी ईशा ने आपको बता दिया है। ओके, द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप ये लोग ध्यान नहीं रखते हैं, जो नेटवर्क विद अदर फ्रीलांसर्स ऑल्सो।
Yes.
एक कम्युनिटी बनाओ, ठीक है। कि कम्युनिटी ऐसे होगा कि फ्रीलांसर्स तो अकेले ही काम करते हैं, उनका कोई टीम तो होता नहीं है, ना कोई मैनेजर है ना कोई बॉस है, खुद ही अपने बॉस है, आपने भी बोला है ना।
Yes, sir.
तो वर्क प्रेशर भी नहीं रहता, डेडलाइंस का प्रेशर नहीं है,
No.
है ना। तो एक नेटवर्क फ्रीलांसर्स का होना चाहिए, ताकि जैसे एक फ्रीलांसर, लेट्स से वी बोथ, ईशा एंड मी, राइट, वी बोथ आर फ्रीलांसर्स। सो ईशा ने मेरे साथ कांटेक्ट किया कि सर एक बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट है ना, तो आई कांट हैंडल विद इन 10 days, आई कांट डिलीवर दैट विद इन 10 days, सो वुड यू प्लीज ज्वाइन मी, और आई विल गिव यू दिस मच ऑफ अमाउंट और दिस मच परसेंटेज फ्रॉम दैट प्रोजेक्ट। ओके, आई एम रेडी। So
Yes,
this
sir.
is the benefit of networking with the other freelancers or the freshers. Maybe you can pitch over the Instagram by posting, by advertisement. जब आप एक लेवल पे आ जाते हो ना, तो आप अपना एडवर्टीजमेंट करना शुरू कर देते हो, पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग करनी शुरू कर देते हो ना, तो उसके साथ नेटवर्किंग और स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है, और वो ऑथेंटिक लगता है कि हाँ इस बंदे का एक लोगो है, एक पर्टिकुलर स्टाइल है बेसिकली, है ना, इसकी प्रेजेंस है सोशल मीडिया पे, तो लोग आपको ज्यादा जानने लगते हैं, लोग आपको ज्यादा अप्रोच करते हैं। तो ऐसे आप नेटवर्किंग बनाने की कोशिश कीजिए, मेरा ये सजेशन है। नेक्स्ट, और ये काम रुकना नहीं चाहिए, ये लूप में चलना चाहिए, कंटिन्यू टू फाइंड अदर क्लाइंट्स। ये नहीं है कि आपके पास 10 क्लाइंट आ गए, ठीक है सर बस 10 क्लाइंट्स का ही काम करेंगे, नहीं ऐसा नहीं है, क्योंकि ट्रेंड चेंज होता रहता है, इंडस्ट्री चेंज होती रहती है, उसके हिसाब से आपको अपडेट करना पड़ता है। एक क्लाइंट एक तरह का काम 10 बार लेके आएगा, लेकिन 11वीं बार वो नेक्स्ट नई प्रॉब्लम लेके आएगा, तो उसके लिए भी आपको अपडेट अपने आप को करना पड़ेगा। सो अपडेट योर सेल्फ एवरी टाइम, राइट। और क्या क्या जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज हो सकती हैं, ईशा कैन यू गो बैक टू दैट स्लाइड। हाँ, ऑक्यूपेशंस क्या क्या हो सकते हैं। एक ग्राफिक डिजाइनर के लिए अगर मैं बात करूं, तो वो एक डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का कोर्स अगर करे साथ में, हमारे यहाँ पे है, इन करिकुलम है। ये डिजिटल मार्केटिंग इसलिए पढ़ाया जाता है कि कल को बंदा अगर फ्रीलांसिंग कर रहा है या अपनी पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग कर रहा है, उसको प्रमोट करना भी तो आना चाहिए। प्रमोट कैसे करेगा, वो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग से करेगा, तो वो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की जॉब भी है ऑक्यूपेशन फ्रीलांसिंग में। ग्राफिक डिजाइनर तो है ही, विजुअल आर्टिस्ट, फोटोग्राफी, फोटोग्राफी इज अ गुड ऑप्शन इन फ्रीलांसिंग। देन कंटेंट राइटर, इफ यू आर वेरी गुड इन राइटिंग, योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स आर गुड, जैसे मैंने बोला कि अगर आपकी सॉफ्ट स्किल्स अच्छी हैं, तो आप कंटेंट राइटर भी बन सकते हैं। सो बेसिकली देर आर ह्यूज अपॉर्चुनिटीज वी हैव इन फ्रीलांसिंग वर्ल्ड, राइट।
Yes, sir.
एनीथिंग एल्स विशा, इफ यू वांट।
यस सर, आई थिंक आपने नेटवर्किंग का पॉइंट बहुत अच्छा उठाया है, क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द लाइक करियर में हमारे पास खुद के नेटवर्क्स नहीं होते हैं। ओके, हमारे पास क्लाइंट्स का नेटवर्क नहीं है, सो आई थिंक इफ वी कनेक्ट विद आवर फ्रेंड्स, विद our teachers, they will also help us get most of our freelancing works. I think सर ने भी मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेल्प करी है फ्रीलांसिंग लाइक क्लाइंट्स दिलाने में। तो उनसे वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से लाइक इफ़ ही लाइक माई वर्क, तो उन्होंने कहीं और रेफर करा है मुझे, एंड ऐसे रिकमेंडेशन से मेरा पोर्टफोलियो बिल्ड हुआ है। तो नेटवर्किंग इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, एंड मार्केटिंग, हमारे काम का ब्रांडिंग हमें करना आना चाहिए। लाइक अगर हमारी प्रेजेंस है सोशल मीडिया पे, जो सर ने बताया, तो पीपल विल नो अस बेटर। अगर हम प्रोफेशनल दिख रहे हैं प्लस हमारा वर्क इज प्रोफेशनल, हमारे पास लोगो होना चाहिए, हमारी एक आइडेंटिटी होनी चाहिए दैट विल सेट अस डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर फ्रीलांसर्स। व्हाई क्लाइंट विल चूज अस, ऐसा क्वेश्चन हमारे पास आंसर होना चाहिए कि हम डिफरेंट हैं और हम डिफरेंट सर्विसेज दे पा रहे हैं। तो ये डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का कोर्स एलपीयू भी ऑफर करता है, एंड ऑल्सो आई हैव लर्नड दिस फार की मार्केटिंग से बहुत चीज़ें ईजी हो जाती हैं अगर हम अपने वर्क को शोकेस कर पा रहे हैं। तो दिस इज द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग अपार्ट फ्रॉम वर्क। या yes sir, so can I take over?
यस प्लीज प्लीज कंटिन्यू।
सो सर ने जैसा भी बताया कि जैसे ही हमारे पास क्लाइंट आ जाए, व्हेन वी पिच एंड वी गेट द क्लाइंट एंड द क्लाइंट इज एट योर शॉप, उसके बाद हमें क्या क्या चीज़ें दिमाग में रखनी है। सो फर्स्ट, विच इज़ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, एंड आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल डू नॉट लाइक पे हीड to this. Reply fast. This is one of the most important things I have also encountered, because everyone needs work at the earliest. They like, no one waits here for nobody. So if you do not reply early, someone else will reply, and your client will rush to someone else, and they will be taking up your client. क्योंकि ये मेरे साथ भी प्रॉब्लम हुई स्टार्टिंग में, मे बी कम्युनिकेशन बैरियर्स वर देयर, सो मैं रिप्लाई फास्ट नहीं कर पाती थी, एंड आई हैव सीन पीपल लीविंग माय चैट एंड वो किसी और का क्लाइंट है, एंड दिस इज माय लॉस. Second is never underestimate your skills, but also never overdo. So first thing is, जो भी तुम्हारे पास काम है, जो भी पोर्टफोलियो तुमने बिल्ड करा है ओवर द टाइम, नेवर अंडर एस्टिमेट दैट. यू हैव डन योर बेस्ट on best projects you have added, so quote a decent price according to you. Like, okay, you can take help from your seniors, your teachers, कि कैसा pricing रहता है. We usually what to quote. You can also check these pricings on fiverr.com, upwork.com, where usually people put gigs. What is a gig? Gig is basically I can offer you this much in this much amount. So इससे we get an idea of the pricing कि लोगों, for example, हम अगर किसी और को दे रहे हैं बना के, तो वो कितने डॉलर का बन सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल $10 वी कैन हैव फॉर लोगो. ओके, जैसे जैसे आप अपना पोर्टफोलियो बिल्ड करते जा रहे हो, रिव्यूज बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, रिकमेंडेशंस और बढ़ती जा रही है, यू कैन रेज द प्राइस. ओके, बट स्टार्ट यू हैव लाइक स्टार्ट तुम्हें थोड़ा सा लेस से करना पड़ेगा, पर ऑल्सो नेवर अंडर एस्टिमेट. ओके, एंड इफ यू आर गुड एट समथिंग, नेवर डू इट फॉर फ्री. बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं कि वी हैव अ फ्रेंड हु वांट अस डू इट फॉर फ्री, एनी रिलेटिव, एनी कनेक्शन, बट आई थिंक आई विल नॉट सजेस्ट दिस. If you have done something, you have built your portfolio over the time, be it you like be it professional, and try to not do it for free. And the next thing is take advance. This is one of the most important thing I have encountered. Do not start even your ideation part, your brainstorming part, before taking an advance money. Even 10-20% is fine. If you're, for example, you're doing a project of 10,000, maybe 500, 1,000, 2,000 money is enough, but please take it because it is important. आई गेस क्लाइंट्स के लिए भी इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट कि उनको एक दिमाग में रहता है कि दे हैव फिक्स्ड यू. ओके, सो यू आर स्टार्टिंग वर्क एंड यू विल बी डिलीवरिंग इट सून. एंड फॉर यू ऑल्सो मोटिवेशन इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. आई थिंक जब तक पैसा नहीं आएगा, स्टार्ट करने का मन भी नहीं करेगा. ओके, जब तक है कि हाँ उन्होंने हमें एडवांस मनी दे दिया है, एक अंदर से मोटिवेशन भी आएगा कि हाँ हमें ये पूरा करना है, एंड वी विल गेट आवर मनी एंड वी विल डिलीवर इट विद इन द डेडलाइन, लाइक फिक्स्ड डेडलाइन. And then you can start off. I think this is just that. इतने ही में ही हम start कर सकते हैं. And again, an important thing, please do not deliver your full work before taking the full payment in your hands. See, बहुत frauds होते हैं. Okay, so क्या होता है कि हम अपना काम starting में deliver कर देते हैं, and clients, some of the clients, not all, some of the clients are very greedy or what say, वो नहीं आपको payment deliver करते हैं. ये चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा होती हैं, इसलिए what we can do to avoid is we can have first draft as a copyright. We can add a watermark of ourselves that, for example, Isha Garg copyright. I can add this watermark and I can send the picture for the approval to the client ki this is the work. Okay, you transfer the payment to me and then I will transfer you the full file. So this is how we can have less frauds and get our money on time and in safe hands. So yeah, sir, can I start with my first freelance journey?
Yes.
Yeah. So in 2021 year, in my second year at college, I started with my freelancing thing, and this was my one of like first projects, which was collaborative one, which I did for a cafe basically in Madhya Pradesh. So what is the main important thing in this is my friend helped me get this. Again, the connection. I was not having that clients over that time, no connections, not that good portfolio that I can pitch to other clients. So इसमें भी मेरे फ्रेंड ने हेल्प करी मुझे ये like approach करने में, and we both collaborative work on this, like we formed a
Isha,
team.
Isha, I
Yes,
have a
sir.
question.
Yes,
Just
sir.
a personal question. What was the challenge? Like suddenly it was your first freelance, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
what was your challenge and in this? What was the challenge? Like कुछ तो challenge आया होगा ना पहले पहले कि first
Exactly.
freelance है, नर्वसनेस होगी। मुझे तो लगता है कि अगर मेरा जब फर्स्ट फ्रीलांस था एज इन करियर में, तो मुझे था कि मैं कैसे उसको एग्जीक्यूट करूंगा। तो आपका क्या चैलेंज रहा, मुझे थोड़ा डिस्कस कीजिए।
यस सर। सर बहुत सारे डाउट्स आते हैं, नर्वसनेस आती है बिकॉज़ बिफोर दैट यू हैवंट वर्क्ड फॉर अनदर पर्सन। उससे पहले आपने सिर्फ अपने लिए काम करा होता है। तो ऑल द लेज़ीनेस, ऑल द प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन यू कैन डू इट फॉर योरसेल्फ, पर फॉर अ क्लाइंट यू हैव टू बी प्रोफेशनल। तुम्हें एक पाइपलाइन पता होनी चाहिए कि कैसे काम करना है, कैसे डिलीवर करना है, कैसे टाइमली डिलीवर करना है, एंड व्हाट ऑल द एथिक्स व्हिच आर इंक्लूडेड इन दिस प्रोसेस। सो स्टार्टिंग में मैं बहुत स्कैर्ड थी कि कैसे हो पाएँगी चीज़ें, क्योंकि इतना बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट था। टाइम हमारे पास कम था क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग में स्पीड वाज़ लेस, लाइक माय स्पीड वाज़ टू लेस कि मैं नहीं कर पाती थी बहुत जल्दी चीज़ें। पर द मेन इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग वाज़ कि ये टीम प्रोजेक्ट था, तो हमने काम बाँटा, लाइक वी शेयर्ड द वर्क and we started with making plans. Planning is the most important thing that will help you throughout, not even in the starting of the career. I think aage bhi planning will help you reduce your work. If you plan well, you will have your half work done. Okay, तो स्टार्टिंग में वी प्लान्ड कि ओके हमें इस हफ्ते में लाइन आर्ट फॉर एग्जांपल कंप्लीट करनी है, इधर हमें आइडिएशन पे काम करना है, उसके बाद वी विल हैव द बेसिक लेआउटिंग, कलरिंग एंड ऑल द थिंग्स, लाइक स्टेप बाय स्टेप कि हमें बेसिक लेआउट करना है, बेस कंप्लीट कर देना है। उसके बाद वी विल जंप इनटू द फिनिशिंग पार्ट एंड ऑल द टाइपोग्राफी एडअप्स, ऑल द अदर इफेक्ट्स। तो अगर प्लान हम कर लें सही से तो इट विल हेल्प अ लॉट। और नर्वसनेस तो स्टार्टिंग में रहती है, पर ओके अगर तुम काम कर रहे हो, नहीं सोचो इसके बारे में बिल्कुल भी कि क्या होगा। कुछ नहीं होगा, जो भी तुम कर रहे हो बेस्ट होगा, और ऐसे करके तुम आगे फ्रीलांसिंग ले पाओगे। तो बस सर यही थोड़ा-सा नर्वसनेस था, पर हाँ, उसके बाद जो भी प्रोजेक्ट्स आए विथ फुल कॉन्फिडेंस आई ट्राई टू डू देम।
So how did you feel like your first earning as a freelancer?
या सर इट वाज़ टू लेस, बट आई थिंक दैट टाइम वो बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब एक ऐसा होता है ना कि या वी हैव डन समथिंग व्हिच हैज़ हेल्प्ड सम अदर पर्सन, एंड इट विल लाइक इट इज़ राइट नाउ इट इज़ शोकेसिंग इटसेल्फ इन द कैफे। तो अदर पीपल्स आर आल्सो वाचिंग दिस, दे आर क्लिकिंग सेल्फीज़ देयर। तो जब आपका वर्क इंडस्ट्री में उतरता है, ओके, जब आप देखते हो कि हमारा वर्क किसी और को हैप्पीनेस दे रहा है या लोग फोटोज़ खिंचा रहे हैं, सोशल मीडिया पे डाल रहे हैं, तो ऑटोमैटिकली आपको एक ऐसा बूस्ट मिलता है कि और करना है, और करना है, कुछ ऐसा करना है कि बाहर दिखे, इंडस्ट्री में दिखे, उसकी तारीफ़ें हों। तो मेरे लिए तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब ऐसा हैप्पी मोमेंट था, इवन माय फैमिली, क्योंकि फर्स्ट अर्निंग थी उस एज में। थोड़ा-सा रहता है कि कम है, पर उस टाइम तो कुछ नहीं, बहुत अच्छा था। स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा-सा आप लेस से स्टार्ट करोगे, बट एज़ यू डू गुड, ऑटोमैटिकली आपकी प्राइसिंग हाई हो जाएगी। ऑल्सो उतना लेस अमाउंट में आई लाइक ट्रीटेड एवरीवन, माय फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स, हमने बहुत अच्छा से ट्रीट करा था। तो बहुत अच्छा मोमेंट था स्टार्टिंग का।
Thank you, Isha. Now you can continue.
यस।
आपने-
Okay, so next project I got was of a logo design. This was again one of my friend that time, like my neighbor only, which was starting his startup. तो उसके लिए मुझे एक लोगो बनाना था दैट वाज रिलेटेड टू somewhat Ayurveda plus the biotech thing. So I made this leaf kind of structure which is showing the nature, basically Ayurveda, and then this kharal we used to say in medical language. So Astu Care, the full care of a human being will be given by this startup Astu Care. Starting with the ideation only, the rough designing and brainstorming, like starting में कैसे start करना है, brainstorm करना है, जो भी ideas आ रहे हैं, write it down, write everything which is coming in your mind, and then start with first draft, second draft, third draft, और ऐसे करके you will evolve and you finally get a logo. Processes are involved very much. You have like to and fro processes are there. क्लाइंट को आपको बार-बार भेजना पड़ता है, रिसीव करना पड़ता है, फीडबैक्स लेने पड़ते हैं, एंड दिस इज़ ऑल द पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोसेस। इससे यू विल बी एंडिंग अप डिलीवरिंग द बेस्ट डिज़ाइन। नेक्स्ट फ्रीलांस वाज़
ईशा बिफोर मूविंग ऑन, मैं यहाँ
यस
पे देख रहा था क्लाइंट्स की चैट्स आपने डाली है साथ में। तो
यस सर।
माय क्वेश्चन इज कि हाउ टू एनहेंस योर क्लाइंट सर्कल बेसिकली। कैन यू प्लीज गाइड द ऑडियंस?
Yes, sir. So this is the chat of LinkedIn basically. So I have set up my profile in a way कि मुझे लोग reach out कर पाएं. And why will people reach out to me? I have made like deep my profile picture in a creative way कि लोग DP देख के ही पहचान पाएं कि okay she might be a designer or an illustrator. उसके बाद write a good bio में I have mentioned all the things that like all the services that I will offer, be it illustration, logo designing, packaging designing, then we have branding, brand identity, animations, like most of the things which I have written on the bio itself. And also I have attached the link of my portfolio. कोई भी अगर मेरी प्रोफाइल विजिट करता है, he or she will just click on that link और उसको मेरा सारा वर्क दिख जाएगा, and according to that he or she will like pitch approach me. तो उससे फ़ायदा क्या होता है कि लिंक्डइन पे इफ़ यू आर डूइंग समथिंग एंड पोस्टिंग समथिंग रेगुलरली, लिंक्डइन हैज़ अ वेरी गुड लाइक एडवांटेज, वो कनेक्शन बहुत अच्छा बनाता है। नेटवर्किंग में लिंक्डइन इज़ द बेस्ट। इफ़ यू आर लाइकिंग समथिंग इट विल रिफ्लेक्ट ऑन माय फीड आल्सो। ओके, तो ये कनेक्शन इस हिसाब से बना देगा कि ऑल द डिज़ाइनर्स विल क्लब अप एंड दे विल बी अंडर अ सेम ग्रुप एंड सेम अम्ब्रेला। तो इससे कनेक्शंस बहुत अच्छे बेटर हो पाते हैं। तो दैट इज़ हाउ द क्लाइंट्स और द पीपल विल रीच आउट टू यू। तो द सेम थिंग आई डिड, मैंने अपनी प्रोफाइल सबसे पहले अच्छे से सेटअप करी, अच्छा सा डीपी लगाया, उसका जो पीछे कवर होता है दैट टू विद द डिज़ाइन थिंग वो लगाया, बायो में अपनी सर्विसेज ऑफर्ड लाइक व्हाट आर द बेस्ट स्किल्स इन मी एंड व्हाट आई विल ऑफर, वो सब कुछ लिखा इन या उसके बाद यू कैन स्टार्ट like people will start approaching you and you can start with a freelancing thing. Yes, sir. Can I move forward with the next project?
Please, yes.
So yeah, again, this book cover design was this message also I got on LinkedIn only. So they will ask, like the people will ask that I went through your profile, I was looking, and you do this. So ये मुझे क्यों आया, क्योंकि I have added all the things कि मैंने अपने सारे काम ऐड कर रखे हैं LinkedIn में, and this client has went all through my profile and he has seen कि okay she does this. Okay, she do book cover also. ओके, मैं अब उनको पिच कर सकता हूँ कि मुझे बुक कवर डिज़ाइन चाहिए, और दिस इज़ हाउ वी यूजुअली लाइक स्टार्ट अप विद द थिंग्स एंड book cover design I did for this client. So the most important thing I want to tell is what's stronger than a review is recommendation from a friend or a colleague. बेसिकली द कनेक्शन थिंग, रिव्यू आपको हेल्प करेगा, नो डाउट बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करेगा इफ़ यू आर डूइंग ऑन फाइवर, अपवर्क और जो भी साइट्स हैं अगर आप उस पर कर रहे हो, रिव्यू विल मैटर अ लॉट। पर उससे ज़्यादा आपको क्या हेल्प करेगा, आपके पर्सनल कनेक्शंस जो हैं, जो भी अगर मैंने किसी से काम कराया है, मुझे उनका काम बहुत पसंद आया है, आई विल रेफर कि ओके आप भी उनसे काम कराओ, दे डू इट वेरी इन अ ग्रेट वे, और वो बहुत अच्छे से डिलीवर करते हैं, टाइम पे डिलीवर करते हैं और उनकी प्राइसिंग भी ठीक है। तो जब वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से अगर किसी के पास जाता है तो दे बिलीव इन अ बेटर वे, तो रिकमेंडेशन इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. So the next thing is these are the comic design, again the varied type of projects I have done, logo also, branding also, book cover also there, and then the comic designs. These are some of the companies, like there are some of the companies which offer design as well, like freelancing as well. I reached out to Ekang Technologies on LinkedIn as well. So ये कंपनी आपको कॉमिक आर्टिस्ट की तरह हायर करती है ऑन अ पार्ट टाइम बेसिस. तो आप इनके साथ फ्रीलांसिंग कर सकते हो, आप कॉमिक्स बना सकते हो अपने आइडियाज़ की, उनके आइडियाज़ की. तो इफ़ एनीबडी इज़ इंटरेस्टेड इन इलस्ट्रेशन पार्ट, बेसिकली उन्हें कॉमिक्स रीड करना पसंद है, तो आप डायरेक्ट उनको पिच कर सकते हो कि आई वांट टू जॉइन और मैं ऐसे कॉमिक्स बनाना चाहता हूँ, एंड दे हैव देयर प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ दिस डे. तो पीपल विल रीड ऑल्सो, उनको नाम दिखेगा आपका कि इट इज़ डन बाय यू एंड दे विल रीड योर ओन डिज़ाइंड कॉमिक्स. This project I was like the client I got from Behance. Behance पे भी मैंने अपना portfolio बनाया हुआ है. तो LinkedIn, Behance, Instagram as well. Instagram people see people see is as a personal space, but no, you can also create your own page, professional page, जहाँ पे आप Instagram पे भी services offer कर सकते हो, क्योंकि most of our crowd, our like generation usually roam on Instagram only. तो Instagram पे भी you can have your communities, दे गिव यू एज ऑप्शन कि हमारे पास फ्रीलांस की कम्युनिटीज़ हैं, यू कैन ऐड योर सेल्फ इन ग्रुप्स बेसिकली जो सारे फ्रीलांसिंग काम करते हैं, तो उनके वजह से आपको क्लाइंट्स मिल सकते हैं, यू कैन पिच टू देम। तो ऐसे ही एक बिहेंस पे भी कम्युनिटी का ऑप्शन होता है, तो मैंने बिहेंस पे ये ज्वाइन करा एंड आई गॉट दिस प्रोजेक्ट। दिस वाज अ वेरी गुड project and I got a very good amount of this. So yeah, it was something related to passwords. So I made a website banner for the illustration purpose, like the illustration will be seen on the top of the banner, website banner. Next was the label design. This was again a team project which I did with one of my friend. It was a label design basically for a kids milk powder. And see, this is the screenshot of Instagram. So we got this message or the client from Instagram only. Instagram is a very good platform जहाँ पे आप डिज़ाइन को कनेक्ट करवाना चाहते हो लोगों से, बिल्ड अ कम्युनिटी, और आपको डिज़ाइनर्स की ये कम्युनिटी ऐसी मिल जाएगी जो सेम माइंडसेट के लोग होंगे, एंड यू विल हैव द कॉन्टैक्ट एंड यू कैन वर्क। सो दिस वाज द लेबल डिज़ाइन। और ये बहुत लॉन्ग प्रोजेक्ट था, एज लाइक सर सेड कि मैं नहीं कर पा रहा था अकेले, तो यही मतलब मेरा फ्रेंड का एक पॉइंट था कि वो अकेले नहीं कर पा रहा था, तो 10 डेज में वी हैव टू डिलीवर दिस, सो ही आस्क्ड मी कि विल यू जॉइन। ओके, सो हमने ये साथ में कोलैबोरेटिव करके वी वर्कड ऑन दिस। These are the process involved and the label design. And next is the coloring book. This was again a combined project. And see, BAPS is a very like big organization. It is based on Ahmedabad basically. So if you get doing small freelancing projects, the time will come when a big company might approach you. And these companies which are not design based but they also need designs, तो वो क्या करती हैं कि वो full time designers hire नहीं करती हैं, वो freelancers hire करती हैं for short term projects and they pay a well like a decent amount. For example, Facebook wants a design to be there, उनको उनकी anniversary है for example 100th anniversary if they are having, तो they will hire a freelancer जो उनको पूरा एक brand language दे पाए, different illustrations उनके लिए बना पाए, तो उसके लिए they will hire a freelancer, and big companies might pay you well as well. This was the client through email. This was the coloring book which like we started with the rough paneling thing, and then Illustrator we made it the final line art. This was the client which I got from my office itself. Okay, Shiv Chakoli was the brand and I did the packaging thing. Animated GIFs was one of the design like we worked on. So you can see varied type of works are filled in the portfolio because I have done a good amount of freelancing in different types of fields. Branding is also there, logo is also there, packaging design, illustration design, many things, different things. And the best part is while doing freelancing, you can own your own gadgets, you can buy your own gadgets. So I was very happy when I bought this first thing, the like OnePlus phone and the iPad with all of my savings, which I only collected through freelancing money. Yeah, sir, can you tell us the top freelancers from LPU?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir.
Please get me to that slide. Okay, so basically these are the top 5 earners from past few years in our department School of Multimedia. So you can see the values and the amounts, the names here, and the badge is written along with them. Isha, go to next slide, the Excel. Yeah. So this is the record. So this is the sum of the students. Basically, we have more. So total amount is approximately 42 lakhs from these only 19 students. So you can see the amount of freelancing along with the studies basically. So ये पावर है फ्रीलांसिंग की। आप देखो जॉब से पहले ही बच्चा 32 लाख 7 लाख अर्न कर रहा है। तो ये एक तो आपकी स्किल्स बढ़ रही है, एक आपकी प्रैक्टिस हो रही है सॉफ्टवेयर्स की, आर्ट की, जो भी डिजाइन की है ना, एक आप कम्युनिकेट करना सीख रहे हो क्लाइंट से, लिंक्स बन रहे हैं। यहाँ से बाहर जाते ही जॉब के साथ साथ आप फ्रीलांस भी कर सकते हो। और जैसे हाँ गैजेट्स आए हैं, आप कार्स लो, घर बनाओ, है ना? तो ये फ्रीलांस इज अ गुड ऑप्शन बेसिकली, राइट?
Yes, starting में like 2 to 4 years में ही if you can earn a gadget, you can also earn a car or a house or big things. तो ये बहुत important है. And I think that's all from our side. Sir, can you like do you want to say anything?
No, I think Ashish sir, you can continue.
Yeah, thank you so very much, Miss Isha Garg and Mr. Preet Pinder Singh. So it was a wonderful interaction. So now I would request to the admission nominee, Mr. Ashish Kumar Sharma, to be on the screen. Welcome to Mr. Ashish.
Thank you so much, Dalvinder. It was wonderful listening to you, Miss Isha. And I must say, it is one of the best live and practical demonstration to our participants, to our viewers. It will definitely help them to gain their confidence in multimedia genre, and they will definitely come to know about the possibilities and the expectations they have on their mind. It will certainly going to help them that how to generate your marketing thing, how to generate your own income, how to generate your client lobby, and this is certainly going to help them to uh, to see themselves at a successful stretcher after 10 years, right? So thank you so much, Mr. Preet Pinder. I would not take much of the time. Uh, just to just to start with the presentation, I would like to say to our viewers that it is very important to know that where are you going to study your further education is very important. Why? Because it is going to nurture your career, and career is what through which you are going to earn your bread and butter for rest of your life, right? So it is very important at this age, at this point of your life. You might be into the dilemma that what to do now. Mr. Preet Pinder and Isha, with full conviction, she has told you that about her journey, that how she has grown up in the field of multimedia and into the industry with the help of their good word of mouth and their connections. But still, it is a question that from where you should pursue your degree, right? So I will start with the college and accreditations. Let me share my screen, just confirm whether it is uh, visible or not.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Yes, yes.
Right. So Lovely Professional University in Northern India, in NCR, is one of the best universities to offer, which is offering more than 250 courses. And multimedia is one of the prominent domain of Lovely Professional University. We are not only offering multimedia, but we are also offering gaming. We are also offering UX, UI. We are also offering, other domains, other genres of the multimedia. So it is one of the best universities with industry experts. You have faculty with the best of their experience of their industry, and the most dynamic feature of the Lovely Professional is its curriculum, right? So whatever is being taught over here, it is definitely, uh, make, you will be in the making of a business tycoon, an entrepreneur, right? Or an artist, or an industrialist, or an artist in a Bollywood or in the industry, whether it is Bollywood, whether it is Tollywood, or whether it is it is a business projects for the small scale industry, right? So with the start, I would like to flaunt over here that now we are NAC A++ university, and we have got the highest score in the first cycle of the accreditation among all the government and all the private university, and the score is 3.68 on the 4-point scale, and this is the highest ever score earned by any university, right? We have few other accreditations also. though it is not relevant to the multimedia, but I will narrate it swiftly. Bar Council of India, Council of Architecture, Pharmacy Council of India, then Indian Association of Physiotherapists. So we have developed the practice of generating not only degree holders, we are into the practice of building a nation builders, right? Our tagline is transforming education, transforming India, and we call our all the students Virtos, which is a Latin word, and the meaning is transformers. Virtos means transformers. So Isha is one of the transformers here we have on the screen, right? So a few other associations are there. Rankings and awards are very important for the university. You must have to check wherever you are, whatever the universities you are comparing, you should check the ranking and the awards they have got, because a college achievements are bringing awards, and if you have good amount of awards and it is of good reputation, then it simply means that you are working, you are striving towards a better education system, right? So you should compare the universities on the basis of rankings and the awards. So we have 23rd rank in the World University Rankings 2023 times by the Times Higher Education World University Ranking. It is a very, very, very important thing. In World University Ranking, we have got 23rd rank. In World's University with Real Impact, we have got the 2nd rank. In Atal Ranking of Institution on Innovation Achievement, we have got the 3rd rank. Now, it is very important. See, and when it comes to the designing part, when it comes to the multimedia part, you will have to be very, very spontaneous with your mind. Whatever the client is asking, whatever the demand is, your mind should be well matured that you will start making it in your mind then and there. So you must be aware of the sociable things, not only the curriculum, but the extracurricular activities, extracurriculum, co-curriculum is also equally important. So we are also taking care of it. Sports, I'll start with the sports. It is a very big thing, which I need to front once again. In Tokyo Olympics, we have sent our 13 students, and out of 13, 12 had bagged the medal for the India and for Lovely Professional University, and of course for themselves. One was gold, one was silver, and 2 was bronze medals. So Neeraj Punia, Neeraj Chopra, Bajrang Punia, the then captain of Indian hockey team, Manpreet Singh, they all were our student. In fact, Neeraj is still our student. So we have won the Inter-University Youth Festival. This is a new accolade into the list. In Maca Sports Trophy 2023, again, we have got the first runner-up position. In the 19th Asian Games, we have listed our name. This is the kind of exposure you are going to get into the Lovely Professional University. The year was 2019 and the moment was 106th Indian Science Congress. See, it is a tradition of India, the Union of India, that we are holding every year Indian Science Congress since 1915. Right? So every year we are holding Indian Science Congress, and it was 106th Indian Science Congress, which we have bagged for Lovely Professional University. And it was the first time ever in Punjab, and especially in northern region, especially in Punjab, especially in Doaba region, where any private university has got this event. Right? And the protocol of this event is the Prime Minister of India, whosoever will be, he will open this event. And the moment was Shri Narendra Modi ji, the Prime Minister of India. He has opened the event in 2019, right? His Holiness Dalai Lama. See the level of exposure. See the level of guidance you are going to get into the Lovely Professional University. He was here in one of the convocations of the university, not just to confer the degrees to our students, but to share his lifetime experiences, his teachings, to bring a better future for you. It is a frame where you can see two presidents of two different countries. Shri Pranab Mukherjee, he was the president of India, and Mr. Hamid Karzai, he was the president of Afghanistan. And in the frame, Honorable Chancellor Dr. Ashok Mittal, currently the member of Parliament as well in the Rajya Sabha. So they were here on the campus for one of the convocations, and they have conferred the degrees to the PhD holders. Late Shri Arun Jaitley ji, the then finance minister, he was here on the campus to start up, to help you start up school, where we are providing seed money to the upcoming entrepreneurs. If you have any idea, if you have any business idea which must be unique, we will provide you seed money to run your own business and to make money out of it, right? And to become an entrepreneur, to generate the employment, not to be an employee. The then Vice President of India, Shri Venkaiah Naidu ji, he was here on the campus in one of the convocations. Gohar Gopal. See the level of inclusive growth which you are going to get. Not only teachings, not only education part, not only sports, not only cultural, not only the things you are going to get for the as being a youth, you are going to take it, but you are going to get a spiritual knowledge as well, right? So overall, if you are getting an inclusive growth in any institution, would be the better institute for you to study any higher education. And of course, who will deny that they are aware of them? They are also coming to the university campus, not just to dance, to share their struggle, their lifetime experiences as well. Mahendra Singh, few other actors. We have enlisted our name on Guinness World Record. We have played Bhangra on a single spot with maximum number of people. So we are there also. This is the kind of infrastructure we do have in the lovely professional university. It is an open air theatre. It is indoor auditorium with the capacity of 2,500 people under one roof. This is a view of Mac Lab, which we do have almost in all the schools of LPU. All the schools have their own library. We do have our own central library as well, where we have more than 9 lakh books, and you can have books free of cost. You can get them issued free of cost to study. And this is heart of the university. This place is the center of the university. This is a shopping mall. The building you can see middle of the frame. It is a shopping mall. We call it Uni Center. And right behind this building, we have a Uni Hotel where students from the School of Hospitality, they get hands-on practice with the hospitality things. So let's go inside the shopping mall. This is the inside view of the shopping mall, and where you can meet all your needs inside the university campus. We have a very high-tech gym as well. Even the bowling alley is there. We have 50-bedded hospital as well, and 24/7 ambulances are available for you. You just need an ambulance. This is a Unipolis where we usually conduct giant events. We also take care of energy generations. You can see the solar panels over the roof. This is a panoramic view of the lovely professional university. Just to the knowledge addition, I would like to tell you that we are the 8th cleanest campus in India. So we are lush green campus, cleanest and greenest. This is the night view of lovely professional university. And the most important thing, this is a relaxing booster for the parents as well. We are a ragging free campus, right? right from the main door till at the last nook, last corner of the lovely professional university. It is a totally ragging-free campus. So this is the inner view of our sports complex. It is a sports complex of Asian Games level. You name a court and you will get it here. These are the badminton courts, shooting ranges, basketball courts, even the squash court is there. You will rarely see a squash court in any of the educational campus we do have. Swimming pools of Asian level games. And this is an aerial view of our sports complex, indoor sports complex. Now let's go live. I will tell you how to approach us and how to get yourself enrolled and how to enroll for the entrance exam. You just need to log in. The URL is www.lpu.in, and this is our website. Once you will land here, you can find the button apply now over here at the right top. Once you will click on it, you will have to register yourself. Your name, your email ID, your phone number will be asked. Your phone number will be verified through OTP. You will select a discipline. For example, I will select, I need to fill the details over here first. Once you will register yourself, you will get your credentials on your registered email and on your registered mobile phone number. See, we have these programs in multimedia. I'll show you. You can find out like this: multimedia, animation, gaming, graphics, and these are the courses which we do have. 3-year degree course, BSc Design Multimedia, B Design Multimedia, BSc Design Graphics, B Design Graphics, BSc Design Gaming, and B Design Gaming. The differences of duration, course, the expertise, which I will ask in, later on to Mr. Preetpinder to explain the difference between the 3-year degree and the 4-year degree. I'll ask Mr. Preetpinder in the last. He'll explain you the difference of 3-year degree and 4-year degree, right? Then let us select BSc Multimedia, which is a 4-year duration and 8 semesters would be there. Eligibility criteria for the same would be 50. You must have 50% aggregate marks in your 12th standard with English subject. English must be studied, and you will have to qualify our entrance exam, which is National Entrance and Scholarship Test, LPU NEST, as it depicts from its name itself. It is National Entrance and Scholarship Test. It will certainly provide you good amount of scholarship on the basis of merit. So we do provide handsome scholarships on the basis of your previous class percentage. If you have more than 80% marks in 12th standard and you can have a scholarship from 15% to 25%. You can get scholarship on the basis of LPU NEST. So we have multiple ways to enhance your scholarship. If you have 70% in your 12th standard, but you are performing good into the entrance exam, in a similar pattern, you can get a good amount of scholarship. We do get some other scholarships, which is prominent. I must tell you, we provide scholarships to the serving at defense, CAPF paramilitary personnel and their dependents, and to the person with certain disabilities, and to the orphans. Right? So how to contact us is very important. You just need to log in at lpu.in, and in the search tab, you can write contact us, and you will get the contact numbers over here. You can click the screenshot, you can write down the numbers, It is 01824517000, 01824404404. You can contact us on the WhatsApp. We do have our admission counselors, admission experts, and career counselors over there over the chat on WhatsApp. So the number is 985256900. You just need to ping on the WhatsApp. You can write us in an email regarding admissions. You can email us at admissions@lpu.co.in. And for the general inquiry, you can write us on info@lpu.co.in. Right. So one more important feature of our lovely professional university is that we are in your town with our admission counselors. You can find us over here. You just need to write, you just need to click on LPU in your town. And हम ईशा से पूछेंगे, ईशा आप किस स्टेट के बारे में पूछना चाहते हो कि हमारी जो एडमिशन काउंसलर्स हैं वो इस वक्त कहाँ पे हैं? Just name a state.
State, okay.
You can
UP.
ask for union territory. UP.
UP.
Okay. Uttar Pradesh. So these are the offices available in Uttar Pradesh. Mr. Sanjay Dutt Tiwari, Mr. Pradeep Misra, he is there in LP in Lucknow at this office address. We would be available over there. You can book the appointment. Even you can view the location on the Google map from the website itself. In Kanpur, Mr. Deepak Upadhyay, Shobhit Yadav is there. In Varanasi, Abhishek Rai, Shankar Pandey is there. In Agra, Mr. Gaurav Dikshit and Jatinder Dikshit is available. We do, travel in the caravans. One of the team members, Mr. Anup Prasad Yadav and Kit Kumar, they would be traveling from Gorakhpur to Prayagraj for the following dates. And Raman Verma and Gagandeep Singh, they would be traveling from Meerut to Saharanpur in Karma for the following dates. And in Prayagraj, Dr. Ankit Kumar will be here on 29th and 30th June for your assistance. So this way, you can have our admission counselors in your town. So that is all from my side. Please explain our audience that what is the basic difference between the 3-year degree duration and the 4-year degree duration.
All right, sir. So we have two kind of degrees, like one is BSc design and second one is B design. So BSc is for the 3 years and B design is for 4 years. Basically, we have BSc and B design work as same as first 3 years. But in the 4th year, we provide specialization. Like obviously, student will select the specialization in which they want to go, either graphics, gaming, or animation in the 2nd year as well. But in the 4th year, we have provided them give them opportunity to build their portfolio by giving them the major projects or term projects. So either student can choose a term project or student can go for the internship on behalf of the projects. So when the student go for the placements or internships, so they are having 1 year experience before completing the degree. So after they have on the degree, after 4 years, they have in their resume 1 year of experience as well. So if we're talking about the projects, they will be done under our most experienced faculties. They will be coordinating them and guide them according to their specialization. If let's say, if I talk about Isha is specialized in graphics. So she has chosen illustration and these things as a specialization, so that she have made their portfolio into that, and the teachers have guided her. So because projects will automatically make their portfolios, right? And so that they can achieve like good opportunities of the job in the industry. Because industry always wants a portfolio from a designer. The first thing they want is their portfolio. The next step of hiring, portfolio के बाद ही आता है वो. फर्स्ट थिंग वो जो लिंक मंगवाते हैं, बच्चे का पोर्टफोलियो ही मंगवाते हैं, जिसके लिए 4th ईयर पूरा बच्चे के पास होता है, जो भी आज तक उसने सीखा 3 साल में, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द स्केचिंग, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम होल्डिंग अ पेंसिल टू द फाइनल रेंडर आउटपुट, वो पूरा उसने वो नॉलेज जो है वो एक प्रोजेक्ट्स में लगा के एक बिग प्रोजेक्ट, और आप कह सकते हो अच्छा पोर्टफोलियो उसने बिल्ड करना. सो दिस इज द थिंग वी हैव स्पेशलाइज्ड प्रोग्राम, वी डिजाइन एंड BSc. This is the difference. Hello. Yes, Ashish sir.
Right. Ms. Dalvinder, if we have any questions,
Yeah.
please you can ask.
Abir Debat is asking which website will be the best for making portfolio?
Okay. As we have earlier mentioned in the PPT, you can start with the Fiverr.com. Just for the initiate, you can start with the Instagram. Just design something good, right? Post it into your Instagram, share it with your friends, then ask them to share it forward it to their connections. You can start with them. So if we talk about the platforms, there are Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, Upwork. So these are the basic platforms that most of the freelancers are using these days.
I hope, Abir, you got your answer from our expert, Mr. Preet Pinder. Can you please stop share your screen, Mr. Ashish Kumar Sharma?
Hello.
Mr. Ashish, can you please stop sharing your screen? Thank you so much. Once again, thanks to Mr. Preet Pinder, Ms. Isha Garg, and Mr. Ashish Kumar Sharma. As we come to the end of this webinar, I want to express my deepest gratitude to our experts for sharing their valuable insights and expertise with us. Your presence, enthusiasm, and active participation have made this experience truly special. Hopefully, the attendees found this webinar to be valuable and will be able to utilize the information for better decision making regarding admission. If anyone wants to access this webinar again, they can visit our website, that is lpu.in, or can be accessed on YouTube also. Stay connected with us for future webinars. Until we meet again, with the permission of my seniors, I would be signing off this webinar. Take care and goodbye. Have a beautiful day.
All the best, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for having me.
Thank